In this video, I will show you how to fix "this site can't be reached" error. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change your DNS servers. In the Windows search bar, type in Control Panel. Open it. Click on Network and Internet. Go to the Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active network connection. Click on Properties. Deselect Internet Protocol version 6 to disable it. Then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set this DNS server address in the preferred DNS server. Also, set this DNS server address in the alternate DNS server. Click on OK to save the changes. Now try loading the web page you were trying to access to see if the error is fixed. Solution 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. In your browser, go to the Settings menu and find the option to clear browsing data. Ensure you clear both cache and cookies, as these can cause loading issues over time. After this, simply check if your problem is solved. If it isn't, proceed to the third method. Solution 3. Browser reset. In the Chrome Settings window, go to the Reset Settings tab. Click on Restore Default Settings. Click on Reset Settings. Now try reloading the website you were trying to access to see if the error is fixed. Solution 4. Reset Network Configuration. Click on the Start menu. Type in Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Here, type this command. Press Enter. Now type this command. Press Enter. Type this last command. And hit Enter. Now restart your PC and try browsing the website. If none of the above solutions work, please contact your internet service provider or Windows support team for further assistance.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.